Today we talk about how can you add posts on your Tango app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Tango app. So all you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click on your name. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on add posts. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Just click here on allow, then it's going to take you to your photos from your device. Can you select posts you want to add on your Tango app? Then here can you, if you want to add here what you want to write here. Then when you're done, so you just click on post and it's going to post with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.